everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. Beautiful car, guys. Bought this from a gentleman, great guy. Unfortunately, he had some medical issues where he had to have some surgeries, so he had to sell this car. But beautiful car, guys. This car was just restored at the end of 2016. He told me he's only driven this car about 5 or 6 times. There's only 500 miles on a complete body-up restoration on this car. It's finished in, he says it's a B5 blue. Now, I'm going to tell you, I think this color's got too much pop in it for it. It's, you know, I would say, well, it is in the B5 blue shade, but it's got way too much pop in the color for it. This color just jumps off this car. Brand new 440 727 torqueflite automatic trans, 8 3/4 rear end with 323 sure grip. Great car, man. Just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. Good, solid, straight Mopar, guys. And again, the only reason he sold, well, there's a couple reasons. He had a neck surgery, and unfortunately, he had his dog had to have a heart surgery, which he said cost him $12,000. Stunning car, man. It's got the sport hood with the hood pins, dual body color mirrors. Slick paint, guys. It's got the rear deck spoiler. Just laser straight down the sides. Beautiful set. Those are 17-inch chrome American Racing. They're not polished, they're chromed. It's got BF Goodrich G-Force TAs all the way around it. Pretty car, man. Turn the key, take it right to a show. It's got the front disc brakes. Again, good sounding 440, and it's got a Holley 4-barrel Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum intake, aluminum water pump. It's got TTI ceramic headers, electronic ignition. It's got power steering, power front disc brakes. Really nice aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Boy, just a gorgeous car, guys. Pretty car. You guys know this body style here is hard to find. Nothing, that's just a little drop on the paint. So I really can't, I don't think there's much you can really find in the paint. I mean, this thing is slick. And I'll tell you, this body style is tough for us to get, man. Everybody loves Z bodies. Door tag. It's got the black vinyl interior. Bucket seats, console. Showing 34,000 on the odometer, but like you said, it's less than 500 since you got the car done. It's got a custom Audiosounds AM/FM radio, some custom gauges underneath there. It's got an H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system with the chrome tips, 8 3/4 323 sure grip rear end. That's your stuff for your Bluetooth on the radio. See, it's all body color in the trunk. Nice car, guys. Fortunately, we may have to hurry up. Looks like we got some rain moving in here. Car's very nice underneath. Little split there in one of the armrests. Dash is nice. Steering wheel's real nice. Have Jay fired up. Just a little cam to it, nothing crazy. Car runs out great though. Gets its R's quick. Gotta do this on my own here. Getting better at this. That's a pretty car, boy. That paint on that car is just slick as can be. It's like all your gauges are working. Great sound. Gauges down there working, radio works. Blower motor? Yep. Blower motor does work, guys. There's lights underneath there. Look, you can see the marker lights working. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a bad boy right there. That car is pretty. Have a great day, guys.